Hey, what is going on, guys? So I have a review today for another drone. This one is by Drocon. This is the Cyclone, model number X708W. Now let me show you the box really fast, and near the end of the video we'll go ahead and take this outside for a spin as well. So here's the front of the box here, and you can see that it is 2.4 gigahertz. You have headless mode, one key return, 3D flips. You have a searchlight. Now take note, this does not have altitude hold, nor does it have automatic takeoff or landing. Now it does have a camera as well, and they don't say what the quality of the camera is, but I do believe it is a 720 HD. And I'm also going to show you guys how to hook it up and everything as well, directly to your phone. So right out of the box, of course, you get the drone itself. You do have to put the prop guards on yourself. But of course, it does come with tools here. You get the screws. You also get extra blades. You have a micro USB charging cable. Comes with one battery here. And it is 3.7 volts at 5,500 milliamps. You get the remote control here, and you also get this top piece to put on your phone. We'll attach my phone in 1 second. And of course, you do get a instructions manual as well. Now looking at the remote here, you can see this little phone holder here. You just pop that in place like that, and then you can go ahead and pop your phone. It comes in like a spring here, and you just slide your phone in like that. You can see there's plenty of room for a bigger phone, like an iPhone 6 Plus, or like even like a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And this little back piece just pops in, just like that. Grab the remote, slide this in here like this. You can go ahead and tighten those up, those screws, and you get like a little bit of swivel room here, as you can see right here. And now looking at the remote itself, you can see you have the left controller, the right controller here. You have the on-off button here. It also takes 4 AA batteries back here. You have trim A, B, C, and D. And you have some buttons up here as well. This button here, I believe, is non-functional. This up here is a 3D flip. You use this button and your right controller here, whichever way you want it to flip. And right here we have high and low, just 2 different speeds. Now this button here, you can put the lights on. You can use headless mode. And you can also use the one key return on this as well. And on the back of it, there's really nothing, no buttons or anything like that. And now looking at the drone itself, the battery goes in right here. You have the lights down here, and the cameras, and you have a camera right here. I believe it is 720p HD. Now the only thing is there's no on or off button. If you want to turn this on or off, you simply have to plug in the battery. I'll go ahead and connect this. Slide in the battery, close it up just like that. And let's just go ahead and try to get it started first, and then we'll go ahead and hook up the FPV on here. Whoa, there you go. Okay, let's go ahead and hook it up to my phone right now. One thing I forgot to note, that it doesn't take no SD card or anything, okay? So basically, all your footage and everything like that, you'll be able to see a preview directly from your phone, and if you want to download it, you can download it directly to your phone in regards to the photos as well as the videos. So in regards to the FPV, you have to hook up your phone to the actual drone. What you want to do first is download this app right here called Drocon. Doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android. Once you download that, you can just open that up. Now what you want to do is you want to go into your settings, into your Wi-Fi settings. And then once you're here, you want to go ahead and tap on Wi-Fi. And take note, guys, this has nothing to do with your Wi-Fi network or internet connection. It's a direct connection right from your phone to the drone, okay? So no internet whatsoever. And then from here, here's the tricky part. I've seen other YouTube videos where they couldn't find the actual name. Well, it's a little bit difficult because it has nothing to do with the actual name of the drone, but they named this one MJX_H. So tap on that. Give it a second to connect, and then we'll go ahead and open up the Drocon app. And then from here, we'll go ahead and tap on monitor. And right now you can see the FPV front person view is working right now. So let's go ahead and record a quick video and go ahead and take a photo as well. And I'll show you how to save it to your phone. So first thing, if you want to take a photo, It's right here. Okay, go ahead and tap on that. Bam, we just took a photo. Now let's go ahead and take a video. Let me go ahead and tap on video right there. You can see it's highlighted. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let me go ahead and stop that. Now I simply just tap on down here. And we can see if we go under video. I just recorded this last video here. I think it's this one right here. There's going to be no sound, obviously. But this is just a preview here. We can go ahead and download this in 1 second directly to the phone. So there's the video. And to take a look at your photo, let's just go back here. And we'll tap on photo up here. And here's the photo that I just took. Now let's go ahead and download these directly onto my phone so it goes in my gallery. So I'll go back to video here. I'll click on select. I'll tap on that. Then I'll tap on this icon down here. And I'll click on download. And same thing with the photo. Let me go back to the photo here. Here's the photo that I just took. Let me click on select. Select that photo. Click on this icon down here. Click on download. And then right from here, it'll go directly into my gallery. And you can see the photo right here. And I'll go ahead and replay that video really fast for you. Right here. Let me just press on play. Well, there you guys go. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy out for a spin. All right, guys. So I got the FPV up. Let's go ahead and fire this bad boy up. I think it's on setting number 1 right now. Let me go ahead and switch this up. Or you know what? Let me wait. Okay, so looks like it's on setting 1. It's flying like a little bit slow here. Let's go ahead and move the setting up to number 2 here. Okay, now it's flying a little bit faster now. Whoa. Do it again. Here we go. Not bad. It's not bad. It's a little bit windy out today, though. All right, let's record a video here. Go ahead and try a couple flips here. Ooh, nice. Do another one. Another flip right there. Do another flip here. Really easy to do flips on here for sure. Another flip right there. We're going to bring this back down here. One more time. Woo! Yeah! Not bad. Definitely not bad. This is definitely a pretty decent drone, especially for beginners. All right, I think I'm going to end it here, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Woohoo! Yeah! Woo!